G'day guys, Dave here from Boss Aluminium. Today we're going to do a tent fitment to a TrailMaster off-road trailer. I've seen these ones out on the tracks. Simon Chrissy from Four Wheel Drive TV is running one of these with our tent on it, and he absolutely punishes it. So I can say firsthand I've seen these things go through hell and back, and they handle it well. Today we're going to fit one of the Boss RT1s up, and we'll show you how we're going to do it. We're essentially going to use our manning brackets. We're just going to use an extra set of brackets because this frame that's been braced up by the guys up at TrailMaster actually has 3 crossbars, so we're going to use 6 of these brackets. The Boss RT1's fitted up onto the TrailMaster trailer, and now we're going to take a look at it and see how it looks up there. Set up the tent and show you what it looks like. Firstly, we'll use the ladder. Handy Velcro strap, always lifting from the bottom upwards. So now it's opened up, we grab the bungee cord, pull it down to the sides. We take our 2 shorter poles, go through the eyelet, down from the top, pull them out. And then we take our cross arm super peg poles, adjust those. Okay, so now we've got the awning set up. We've got good coverage over our ladder at the rear. We've got the handy rare earth magnet in the door. You know, set your bed up, throw your clothes in there, and the door's going to be out of your way. And now you can see that our tent fits this trailer really nicely. Great little setup. We've just put the legs down quickly at the rear. Normally you'd have this attached to a vehicle, so it's going to be even more stable. But you know, that's nice and rigid. We've got plenty of the RT1s in stock, so you can hit us up and we'll be able to ship one straight out to you, or you can come and get one fitted to your vehicle.